Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighbor Tool Bear, back again here in the old den of tools, and we got our first pre-Black Friday of the season. Game on. Let's jump over there and see what we got. We got Fleet Farm. Now, before you run off and go, I don't know what Fleet Farm is. Fleet Farm, it's one of your farm and ranch stores, aka like Tractor Supply, but one of the regional stores. There's 48 locations in the Midwest: Iowa, Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Wisconsin. Now, that said, they do have e-commerce also, so you can order online on a lot of this stuff. So we're going to look at this as kind of like the canary in a coal mine. Let's see what these sales are going to look like. This one's pretty early out, so maybe not the best deals, but there's at least one good deal in here I want to talk about. So we're going to jump through these real quick. Of course, they got all the clothing and stuff. The Tamarack winter footwear. We got batteries. Interstate. I like Interstate batteries. I don't know about you. I always had good luck with them. I got at least one of the vehicles has an Interstate in it. So we got some deals there. We're like a $129 to $249. We got the Goodyear tires. Buy 3, get the 4th free. Always got to like that kind of stuff. All right, let's see what else. Page 2, we got more clothing. We got the Under Armour. The kids love that stuff. Scent blocker. You know, it is the season, as it were. We got some nice pullovers here. We got the Skechers shoes. My wife wears Skechers extensively. She loves those shoes. Let's see what else we got here. We got, a nice Lane recliner for $279. $40 here on the 4-foot banquet bifold blow molded table. That's not a bad deal. The Nesco, we got a bunch of Nesco products here. So we got a vacuum sealer there for $109. We got the Food Saver, the high-end vacuum sealer there for $200. The West Bend Versatility Slow Cooker. I like this slow cooker design. That's kind of cool for $40. Now, this is the one I really want to talk about here. We're talking about the Nesco stuff because my wife uses this style of griddle here. She cooked breakfast on it this morning. Love cooking with these kind of things. Kind of old school. People got away from them. I don't know why. They're fantastic for cooking breakfast, any kind of griddle cooking kind of stuff. For $30, it's an inexpensive way. And she does what, we're in the RV these days. So she uses it outside because she will not cook in the RV. And I fully support that because it just builds up the heat and the smells and the stuff in the RV. Do it outside. Have everything plugged in. We got nice plugs on the outside of the RV. Real easy to use. You can do that at home too. Cook out on the deck and whatnot. This is something I need to get for the home base. There is the food slicer. I'm gonna start doing this like my own roast beef in the smoker, that kind of stuff, and having a good slice, like getting away from that expensive deli meat and making it yourself. I think with the way the economy is trending, we're gonna get back to that DIY kind of making your own food kind of thing. That's going to become real important here. The Nesco Digital, this is basically their version of the Instapot for $109. How about this? We get the Lodge cast iron 12-inch skillet. That's what I cook with every day when I cook, and that's $25. I love my cast iron there, and I love the Lodge stuff. Let's keep going along. Let's find some tools if we can. Oh, we got some hunting gear. We got blinds. Look at that. That is a bit much for me. You know what? I'm a Western hunter out there in Montana, so we don't do a lot of blind hunting like this. You don't really see that kind of thing, but if that's your thing, there you go. Now look at this. We got, I know I'm probably not supposed to talk about this here, but Savage, if you're going to get something that's good out of the box, Savage is my go-to kind of stuff. I think this is 22, the Heritage Rough Rider. Actually, I picked the Ruger version of this up for the littlest bear last year for Christmas. He absolutely loves that thing. So much fun. I took a look at one of these, and they were having a big deal. We actually got it at Murdoch's, which is our version of like Fleet Farm in Montana. Let's see, the Taurus. Now, here's what I will say about the Taurus. My brother, who just got out of the Marines, this is what he got. I tried to talk him into a SIG. He's like, they're too expensive. I heard good things about this. He loves it. He raves about it for the price. I might have to get one and try it. And at $270, oh my gosh, that is cheap. That is ridiculously cheap. I can't believe, because I've heard nothing but great things about that. All right, Tula, you know what Tula is. All right, here we got grills. We got your basic performance, what is the Charbroil grill there, for some price. I can't see it behind the arrow there. Wait, I just saw it for half a second. Oh, no, I can't get it to go away. Anyway, we got the Weber there, and sale in-store only. Not going to get that one. The Traeger for $600. I'm not a big fan of any of those. Let's move along. All right, here we got some tools. We got the Works. Now, if you know, I recently heard about actually, I should say, Works sent me their new Nitro Compact Series, the drill driver and the Impact, and I was stunned. I was stunned at the quality. Works has really ratcheted up the quality over there, and I think we're gonna have to take another look at them. But we got the pole saw there. This is for $140. We got the Works electric tri-vac. It's a blower vac mulcher kind of thing, I believe. $80 on that. That's a screaming deal. We got some Milwaukee. You want the Milwaukee blower there, $40 off. And we got the chainsaw, the fuel chainsaw there. I guess they're both the fuel for $50 off on that one there. All right, let's see what else we got. The some nice hatchets and axes here. All right, not a whole lot there, unfortunately. Now sheds, look at this. It got some nice sheds here. $400 for the lean-to style shed. We got $100 off on the basic Rubbermaid, $150 off the Fleet Farm price on the big Rubbermaid. Be nice if they actually showed us the price. 25% off Fleet Farm on the Milwaukee Compact Mounting Plate. Again, not showing us the price. Oh, I hate it when they do that. But anyway, we got, here we go, Valvoline. 5-quart premium easy conventional motor oil there for $20. That's not a terrible price. The Michelin's Cyclone windshield wiper blades. We go through windshield wiper blades like nobody's business. Part of the problem is that we spend a lot of time also down here in the Vegas area, and it just eats up wiper blades. It does. Does terrible things to wiper blades. We're changing our wiper blades about twice a year, bouncing back and forth between Montana and Vegas. So we're looking at $11 on that. Oh, we got some more batteries here. Oh, let's see what else we got here. Look at this. $50 off brake service. I'll be honest, I didn't realize Fleet Farm did brake service, which is, I find a little odd, because I would think the people who'd shop at a Fleet Farm kind of place would be the kind of people who do their own brakes, but what do I know? We got Big Red 3-ton floor jack there for $150. Oh, let's see what else we got here. We got trailers now. We're going to start talking about trailers here. We got the Teskey this is a 4x8 wood-sided trailer. It's not a bad little utility trailer. They're for basically $1,200. And then we got the Caravan here with the cool K spelling there for $1,700. We're going to talk more about this one later, because that's actually a pretty good deal if you really look at it. We got the Coleman's Power Sports. It's a 400 for 10 grand. I don't know, maybe the prices have gone up on these. That seems kind of a steep price for a Coleman brand, but what do I know? We got some toolboxes here, 10% off. We got ratchet straps. Always need more ratchet straps. These look pretty nice over here. We got some ramps for $80, and we got the Lund roll-up hard fold covers there, $50 off on those. Kurt, those are good. I like the Kurt hitches, $189. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video here shortly talking about hitches. A lot of people have been asking me. They know we do a lot of towing and stuff, and they just want to understand the whole concept of the different hitches, the different receivers, the different balls that you can use on them, and we're going to be talking all about that here. We got taking care of your canine friends. We got all sorts of food and snacks. Got some Chewies there. We got the kennel thing here going on. What else we got here? We got the training collars. We got, oh, my dog would destroy one of these things in about 30 seconds. Oh my gosh, that dog. She's down. She's lean. She's lean these days. She's down to like 75 pounds. Black Lab, and she's a high energy. We like to call her a meth lab because, she's got the energy. She would tear that little sucker to shreds. Tidy cats. I don't know why you'd have cat stuff. I don't know. I don't get the cat thing. We got sunflower seeds for your bird friends. Look at this. 10% off of farm-rated Durbo, the economy R gates and such. That is... I have to know what the list price is, but I've been looking for some of those. We got steel posts, and what else we got here? The UC brand, or OK brand, I should say, 4-gauge, 16-foot, 10-wire cattle stock containment panels for $30. That's not a bad deal. All right, moving on. Let's see what else we got. We got candy. Candy, you know what's coming up. We all know what's coming up. We also got some other brands here. They got the Was it Starfire Solaris? I don't know anything about those. If you do, is that a good brand? Is that decent? That's from Cooper Tires. They make some okay stuff. Buy 3, get the 4th free. We got Halloween costumes. Look at that. We got to the Shade Hunter. We're talking about Bigfoot. If you're looking for a tree stand, $129 off of that. All right, now let's talk about. Oh, also I want to comment. They're hiring. If you're in the area looking for a job, new career, 20% off discount for you and your family. Just want to say, always trying to help people find good jobs and such. Also, don't forget they got all sorts of toys and stuff because holidays around the corner. Time to get that gift buying in early. Don't wait till the last second. Don't be like me. I'm terrible. Absolutely terrible. I'm sitting here telling you all don't wait till the last second, and you know the Bears going to. You know I'm going to wait till the last second because I'm terrible like that. All right, let's talk trailers, okay? Tractor Supply for a long time, for me, was the go-to for good quality basic trailers because I'll be honest, we got to talk about it. The people on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace are on crack when it comes to selling their trailers. They're like, I paid $3,000 for this 20 years ago. Now it's got like 3 inches of rust. So I think it's worth about probably $2,999, don't you? No, Jimmy Joe Bob, I don't think it is. And it's just ridiculous the price they're asking for these used trailers. This one right here, you look at this and you're like, $1,700. That's the sale price down from $1,900. You're like, well, I can get the same thing from Tractor Supply for less, and you can get it for less. Trust me, I know. I have this trailer. I get the mesh version of this trailer, and I put a wood floor in on it, and I just used some marine grade plywood, laid it down there. It works just fine. But that said, it's not got the same level of support as a good full wood bed trailer like this. But anyway, you're looking at it, you're like, well, this is a 5x8 trailer. This is a 5x8 trailer. Well, here's the difference. This one, you've got the single arm for the hitch on there. It's a nice basic trailer. It is. It really is. And I've put mine through, so many miles and so many tests and blowouts on the highway and all. And trust me, if you're going to put them on the highway, you want to get highway rated tires for them. Anyway, this is so much of a higher level made trailer. Like, you got the V arm up front for your hitch. You've got fold down side rails. See how they latch together, and those all fold down so you get a full flatbed experience. Look at the fenders on this, higher grade fenders on that. Everything about this is made a step up above the other one. Now, do you need that? Maybe you don't. Maybe for you, you're fine with that. You're fine with this level. I mean, mine's worked for years and years and years, and it still works. But this, if I were going to buy one new, I'd have to take a look at that because that's a nice quality trailer right there. Alrighty. Anyway, I think that's all we got here from Tractor Supply from Fleet Farm. Anyway, if you got a Fleet Farm in your area, let me know what you think about it. Unfortunately, there's not one around me. I've never been in the store. I wish I had. They look like cool stores. I'd like to check them out. Let me know what you think about Fleet Farm. Let me, as a company and stuff like that. Should we cover more of their stuff and whatnot? All right, well, there you go. Chomp that like button, smash the subscribe, ring the bell. Do it because we're going to have more of these sales going forward. We're going to be covering each and every sale on up through Black Friday here. Actually, through the holidays until our after Christmas kind of stuff because, there'll be all the clearance kind of stuff coming up. So if you haven't rung the bell, you're going to miss out on those. And then later, you're going to hear about these deals and be like, why didn't I hear about these deals? Well, this is the place to find them. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, say it with me, shine on.